In today's video, I'll take you on a walking tour of the town center of Angra do Heroismo. Are you ready? Let's go! My name is Eddie. Join me as I explore the sights, sounds, flavors, and other attractions of my chosen travel destinations. This is Eddie on the Go. Called Angra for short, it is a city and municipality on Portugal's Terceira Island and is one of the three capital cities of the Azores Islands. Founded in 1473, Angra was historically the most important city in the Azores, as it was the seat of the Bishop of the Azores, different government entities, and Angra had also served as the capital of Portugal during the Liberal Wars. In 1983, Angra was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to the city's development around its bay, and especially its contribution to the discovery of the New World. Cais de Alfandega is the oldest wharf in Angra, established after the first settlers began to arrive between 1470 and 1500, at the time when Alvaro Martins Homem promoted its colonization. The wharf connected directly through the city gates to the custom house's patio veranda, the Hospital of Mercy, and the building from which the goods were registered and warehoused for the town. By 1930, the wharf lost much of its traditional use and was reserved as a marina for ships transiting the waters of the Azores. I hope you enjoyed this little walking tour of Angra do Heroismo. If you are enjoying my content, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. I enjoy reading your comments. I appreciate you spending some time here with me on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Eddie on the go, out.